Buongiorno, buenos dias, wie geht's? Dobre noche. So this is Carlyle Speaks Wall Street, and just want to give you guys a, man, I feel like someone's following me. Like, this is crazy. I keep looking, I'm trying to talk and I'm looking, I'm like, who's following me? Anyway, scare your own shadow. Wow! Crashed again. This YouTube app keeps crashing on me. But anyway, some stuff that's coming down the pipe. I am working on some Python for Finance videos. Shout out to Sam, by the way. Actually bumped into Sam, one of my new subscribers here on the channel. He actually bumped into me during another live stream, which was kind of cool. But anyway, Python for Finance is coming down the line. So Python is a very powerful language to know. I think many of you, different types of jobs, whether it's QA, production support, DevOps, you name it. This is definitely something that I think is very valuable information for you to have. Many of you guys are already supporting applications or using applications that are built in Python. So it'd be good if you actually understood the language. That would help you in terms of troubleshooting. And a lot of you work very closely with development. So the more you understand the code, the language, or the technology that you are supporting, the better equipped you will be at doing your jobs. So I am going to empower you guys by teaching you guys a little bit of Python. One of the things I'm going to be talking about is logging, how to do proper logging in Python. I'm going to give you guys an overview of Python. I already did that already. I am also going to be building some applications with you guys that will definitely be of the type that will be helpful to you. For example, building a Python program that checks server status, something that checks for disk space, maybe something that will check a log and look for certain strings in terms of error messages. I'm also going to be doing some stuff with pulling market data. I already have been experimenting with pulling real-time data, and I will start doing some things with the data. For example, doing math like calculating average price, doing various things with different price movements. So, you have a series of stocks, be able to calculate which one's doing the best out of all of them. And we're going to see how far we can take it. The Fix Engine project is still on the works. I do need to get back into that. There's some very basic steps that I can take to get that moving that I have not done yet, but I will be moving along with the Fix Engine project or Fix Engine Simulator. I see Nick is in the house. Nick K is in the house. Yeah, good to see you, man. Yeah, he says logging is awesome. They're patent trolls that will sue you for checking server status and retrieve info from database, just FYI. Oh, they're patent trolls that will sue you for checking server status. Okay, all right, we'll see. We will see. But yeah, so that's what's down the line. Basic introduction to Python, and doing some automation and building some applications that I think will be useful to you guys. And to kind of show you guys or showcase the power of Python, also how easy it is for you guys to pick up, is definitely a big asset, I would think. And then we're going to start dealing with the more finance. I mean, the title of the video is Python for Finance, so that's where we're going to start dealing with the Fix Engine project, also pulling market data, doing different things with the market data that comes down. Let's say, for example, we build something that takes snapshots of quotes of a particular stock, periodically throughout the day. So you have all these snapshots of the prices over time, over historical price, and then use that data to do certain calculations, like, for example, average price, or who knows, maybe We can look into doing some very, very basic algorithms like, you know, VWAP. You have volume weighted average price. You have TWAP, which is time weighted average price. So we may be able to do some very simple versions of those. You know, the ultimate goal, just take it as far as we can. I mean, obviously it's to learn. We want to learn as much as possible. The more you learn, the more, you know, empowered you are in whatever it is that you're doing, whatever your job is. But I'm just very excited about seeing how far I can take things. So I'm just gonna keep pushing and pushing and pushing. You know, I'm not a developer, so there are gonna, you know, it's gonna come to a point where I'm gonna run into issues in terms of maybe it being a little bit too challenging for you know, my knowledge and my experience. But I just want to see how far can I take it, you know, keep building piece by piece and go as far as I can, you know, and that's how you learn, you know. So on that note, I gotta go. Give a shout out to Student Developer Society. Shout out to Student Developer Society. They'll be learning Python with you. Awesome. Absolutely. We want to learn as much as possible. We will help you with experience. Help us with ideas on finance. Nice. I really appreciate it, man. And I really, really want to push forward to start getting our projects going. I've been saying this for a while. Obviously, it's a lot. People don't realize it's a lot. Running a channel, it's not a full-time thing. I have a life, you know, I have other things that going, so it's very, very challenging. But I'm very determined for us to get moving. And the main thing that I need to get done that I haven't done yet is I need to go back to our notes about the different projects we want to do and make a determination on what we want to start with, and just get it going, man. Just get it going, piece by piece. That's how it goes. That's how it goes, man. All right, guys. This is Carlyle Speaks Wall Street, and on that note, buona notte. Adios. All right, guys. Wow. Stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. We're stuck. I'm stuck on the live stream. Thanks, man. Appreciate the positive words, Nick.